gonna make curry potatoes. 4 potatoes cut and washed. So we have a scotch bonnet pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green onions, and 1 little piece of bonnet or culantro. So we're gonna use this, all of the ingredients blended up to make curry potatoes.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of oil and it's dripping down the side. Great. So we're doing a teaspoon of curry powder with a 1/4 teaspoon of grounded roasted cumin.
Grind it, you can put it yet.
Or just
No, no,
Oh,
no.
I'm sorry.
That's alright, that's alright. I have to show them, okay. That's all later. I not take that.
Green seasoning, 2 teaspoons of water.
Good.
And half an onion.
Good.
We're cooking it on medium heat. We're letting it simmer for 2 minutes. So now we're adding the potatoes with a teaspoon of salt. So it's been steaming for like 5 minutes. We're gonna add a little bit of water. Well, we have 2 cups here.
How do you not cover the potato?
Smells good.
That's cumin seed. Okay.
Okay, so it's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Potatoes are soft. You can cut them with a spoon. So we're going to add half a tomato to it. Hot steam. Steam is hot. Okay. Just gonna stir that. We're going to cook it for like 3 more minutes. And it's done. Nice and soft. We got some thick gravy.